If you own a business and you have been trying to get more visibility, I'm sure while you've been looking for different ways, you have come across short form video. Okay, but what really is that and how do we use it in our business? In this video, I'm going to break that down for you. If you're new here, my name's Anita. I own FDS Creatives. I'm a video marketing and social media strategist, and I help business owners just like you get more visible. If you like videos that help you grow your business, go ahead and hit the thumbs up down below. And I would love for you to subscribe. I'd like to be a cozy spot in your inbox where you can go for true help with your business. All right, what is short form video? Short form video is simply videos that are in fact shorter in length. And most people would say that the video length is no more than 3 minutes, but many will argue that 2 minutes and 20 seconds is kind of the cutoff. Depending on what platform you're trying to post on, though, you might not be able to post a total of 3 minutes. And the best performing videos often are on the very shorter side, between 7 and 15 seconds. And I know what you're thinking. How can I share my genius and help all my clients in 3 minutes or less or 15 seconds? Short form video is a great way to help people really get to know you and to be exposed to you. On most platforms, it's going to provide a much larger reach, and that's going to allow new people who do not yet know you to be introduced and then decide, do they want more? Now, the platforms that you can post short form video on include YouTube. You can use YouTube Shorts, and this is a great way to get more views to your channel. TikTok, that's going to allow you to post videos and build a following faster than most platforms will allow you to grow. Instagram has Reels and Stories, which both allow for short form video. Facebook, which has Reels and Stories, again, which allow for short form video use. And Pinterest allows you to use videos to drive traffic. Okay, great. You understand that short form video could be used in a lot of places, but do people really watch short form video? Well, what we know is that TikTok has kind of taken everybody by storm and has allowed for more people to grow a following. Okay, all that sounds great, but do people actually watch short form videos? Well, it turns out that approximately 58% of viewers will watch the entirety of a short video. And longer videos, only about half of that is a normal retention rate. And all the platforms reward you for keeping people on the platform. We know here on YouTube, watch time is one of the key things. The longer you can keep people watching, the better. And all of the platforms actually want you to be able to do that. Now, this is where content repurposing can really be your friend, because you can create short form video content and then use that content across these multiple platforms without having to create new videos for each one. In 2022, I have to tell you, though, you're going to have to learn to leverage short form video or you're going to be left behind. That is, if you plan on using social media to grow your business. Now, if you're looking to use a video to grow your business, I want you to join my free Facebook group, Video Marketing for Entrepreneurs with FDS Creatives. The link is below, and there I give you lots of tips to help you grow your business. Now, ultimately, we know that video is the best way to grow a parasocial relationship. And if you don't know what that is, I want you to click the video on the screen where I'm going to break down why you absolutely need video in your business to grow these types of relationships. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.